This is Coral Sea Property Services doing a 360 walkthrough for Unit 1 at 7th Street Railway Estate. This is the front entrance. Into the lounge and dining. The first bedroom. Kitchen. The second bedroom. Toilet and bathroom. And the backyard and laundry. And that is it. Thank you.